I was thinking about my job, I was thinking about my parents, I was thinking about my wife. I felt like I was losing my life. I was going to CVS. I took my motorcycle. There was one guy which was on the right at the stop. I saw him, but I never thought he will cross me. The moment I come near to the intersection, he just jumped right in. First, I landed on my head, which I was having a helmet. It really saved my life. I was not able to move my hand. I felt like something broke or a lot of pain on my body. The doctor, he said like your arm is broken, your leg has a fracture and a piece has come out. There is some injuries on your neck. That night was very crucial for me because I got 2 times seizures. Then later on, my wife, she came and she said, you have a blood clot and they're gonna do a surgery. They found out the problem and they're gonna take you to the ICU and do the surgery. I think I talked about more than like 50-60 lawyers, and every day my time is going to pursue very good lawyer for me. I was always passed with different people. Never first-hand information, asking question will get back to you, and I didn't feel good about it. I was going through their Google reviews, I was going through Yelp reviews. That's where I saw testimonies of Solutions Now law firm, and when I was having a conversation with Jimin, it was more about me and helping me. She wanted to make sure that I get the best settlement. She strategized our case in a very proper manner and executed very well. I think she has a conviction with her work and people she wanna help. Today I'm feeling very good with my second life. I'm very happy to end up here, and no doubt about it, she's the best.